code here, and you can see here that I've added a parameter here called account password. And it's a little bit tricky in terms of you can't just put the password in plain text. It will just basically come back with an error. It has to be inserted into this command as a secure string. So if you want to add a password at the time of user creation, you can see there that I've got an opening and a closing bracket. I've got the password in plain text, and it will then create that account with the password that I've added. You can also see that I've got the enabled parameter there set to true. So unlike the Active Directory admin center version of this command, if I copied it out, it would create a disabled user. Here we will create an enabled user with a password. So I'm going to come back to the administrative center. I'm going to close the PowerShell history down. We don't want to see it. I'm going to delete that user. Say yes. I'm going to come back to my PowerShell window here. And if the demo gods are with me, I'm going to select that piece of code. And if I right-click, I can select Run Selection. And there, you can see the output in the terminal window at the bottom of VS Code. So hopefully now that's created a new user account. If I come back to the Administrative Center and refresh the window, you can see there that we now have an enabled user account, which also has a password. Okay,